Hi guys, it's Trish. Today we're going to make a fun pair of earrings using this Dress It Up Buttons Valentine Collection You're Sweet, and also the Market Fresh Mini Mix in Rainbow Water Ice from Jesse James Beads. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get started here. What we're going to do is we're going to take two of our hearts that we like out of our You're Sweet button mix there. They are cabochons on the back. That means they're flat. So I glued on, just using some Loctite super glue, some jump rings on the top. You've seen me do this in previous videos if you've been watching. It's quite simple. Just glue your jump ring on with some super glue, let it dry, and then you're good to go. I decided to pick two different colors because I like the symmetrical idea of, you know, two different color earrings, two different things. So if you don't like that, take two of the same. I found some really cool colored wire that I had in 20 gauge. So that's what we're going to start with here. And I'm just going to take off maybe about 4 or 5 inches here. Cut that off. And then I'm going to make a loop on the end of it. Okay, I have it flush cut on this end. So I'm just going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to give that a roll. Just like so. Okay, see how that is? And then we're going to go in and we're going to do what I call break its neck. So I'm going to put the pliers through the hole and against the wire on that side. Okay. And then we're just going to give it a little crook back. See how my wrist went there? And then what it's going to do is it's going to center that more on the top. Let's do it a little bit more here. And then you can go ahead and hook in your charm on the bottom. So now that that has a loop in the bottom, we're going to take and open up that loop and we're going to put on one of our charms that we made with the jump ring glued onto the heart, just like so. All right, so now we have it on the bottom of our wire and we're ready to go ahead and put on the beads that we've chosen. So I really like this little the flower bead frames that were in this mix, the Rainbow Water Ice. So we're going to start with that. And I'm going to take one of these purple pearls because I really like that and it coordinates well, and put that on the wire that I've stuck up through, but I haven't gone through the top yet. So I put that on and then I'm going to go up through the top. I'm going to drop that down so you can see how cute that's going to look with it. You could also add another bead in here if you wanted to. I'm just going to take one of our bead caps then, put it on. These are going to be real simple. Our gorgeous little pink lava beads, and put that on, one of those, and another bead cap. Just as quick as that, guys, you've made a super cute pair of earrings. So all we have to do now is do a wrap loop at the top, and what that is, you take your round nose pliers in there just like so. Give it a horizontal bend, give your wire a horizontal bend. Then you're going to rotate your pliers to be in a vertical position. And then you're going to go up and over, rotate again, so you're horizontal, and cross with your wire. Once you get that far, you can go ahead and pick your chain nose pliers up and grab that loop. Hold on to that, and then just wrap your wire down. Do a few wraps. Always looks cute when you can do that. So once you have that wrapped, then you're just going to take your pliers and cut that wire close to where you wrapped it. Whoops, you can grab it there. There we go. Flush cut it. And then you'll just take your pliers and tuck that little end in there because you don't want that to get caught on anybody. So once we do that, we have one side down. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Just quick and easy. These would be really cute gifts for friends, anything like that. They are just adorable. I think any friend would like to get a pair of these. So I'm going to make sure my loop's the same. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. There we go. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take our plier in and push that wire back just like so. And have our little lollipop on top. Open that loop up. Add our charm that we made. Close the loop. And then we're going to add our beads on. So first we're going to put on our frame because we need to go up through the bottom first. Put our little purple pearl on. And then let that drop. And then you're going to want to go up through the top of the bead frame. Okay? Bead frames are so cute and so versatile. They add a lot to any piece that you're doing, any earring sets or whatever. Even cute little bracelets. I've seen bracelets made with the bead frames in between the beads. Really cute. And then we're just adding on our other beads. Just like so. Just really cute. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to make our wrapped loop. Okay. We're grabbing that wire. Just like so. And I'm going to give it a horizontal bend. Rotate my pliers vertically. Up and over. Rotate it back to the horizontal position. And go across. Just like that. You have your loop. Okay, let's make that loop a little bigger. Just so it can match the other one better. So I'm just going to back that out and just make that a little larger. Because I like my loops to be approximately the same size. It just looks nicer. It's more aesthetically pleasing. And then we're just going to grab that with our chain nose plier and wrap around the top here a few times. Okay. Give it one more up here. And there we go. We're going to flush cut that just like we did the other one. And take our little tweezer pliers and push that in just like so. And then you have a cute pair of earrings. Let me grab some ear wires, guys, and I'll be right back. So I just grabbed some kidney wires here, guys, to use. Those are the ones that enclose the ear completely, so you don't have to worry about putting any kind of back or anything on it. We're going to open the loop up on that. Put our ear wire onto, open it just a smidge more, and put our ear wire on there. There we go. And then we will close that up. There we go. Got it down in there. And we will close that up. And there we have one of our little earrings. Same thing on this side. We want to open it up. Put our ear wire through. And onto that loop. So that is it, guys. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.